Artist, today I'm going to show you how to turn a letter E into a monster or a dragon. It's really simple, really fun, and then we're going to add it to our cartoon land, a world of cartoons, where we've been adding more and more characters each and every day. So grab your pencil and paper and let's get drawing. To draw this fun dragon, we're going to use capital letter E. And then we're going to draw the eyes. I like to always draw the eyes first because I start to see a character come to life. And I'm going to draw these eyes right here, just above the corner of our lowercase letter E. Now we're going to draw a line from the eye right here, and it's going to go around like this for the start of the nose and the mouth. And we're going to draw the dragon's nose here. And let's go ahead and start adding some teeth. We're going to draw teeth right here and right here on our capital letter E. This will become the dragon's tongue. So let's start by drawing kind of like a little Z right there. And then we're going to bring that Z back to the mouth. And just like that, you have the dragon's tongue. We're going to draw a line here for the back of the character's head and another line starting here at the end of the mouth for the bottom of the jaw. And before we move on, we need to add some horns to the top of our dragon's head. So I'm going to draw these fun horn shapes like this. Now you'll notice I'm coloring my character in as I'm drawing. You want to wait till the very end. I'm just doing this so the character easily stands out from the background. Yeah, but wait till the end to color your character in. So I have the character's face. Let's draw the body. We're just going to start. And we're going to draw a shape like this. Let's give this dragon an arm. We're going to draw two kind of like L looking lines like this. And then at the end, let's add some sharp, pointy dragon fingers. And remember, you can change your character anytime you want. I'm going to add a wing here to the back. So what I do is I draw one like this. And then on the top of the one, I'm going to draw 1, 2, and 3 lines. We're going to connect those lines together. So we're just going to draw a curved line here and a curved line here. And then one more curved line right there. We need to draw a wing on the other side of the body. We're just going to give a hint of it. So we're just going to draw a line here. And we're going to copy this sort of line right there and bring it back. We just want to give a hint that there's a wing right there. Dragon's looking good. Now what we want to do is let's add some legs and feet. Really simple. We're going to draw an L with a curved line for the top of the foot. And then another line right here. We're going to draw that same leg again, but there's a little bit of overlapping, so we don't see all of it. We're just kind of copying that other leg. Excellent job. The last thing we need to do, let's add a tail. We're just going to draw a fun shape for a tail like this. And let's add some spikes on that tail. There you go. You just drew a dragon, and it's time to add this dragon to our cartoon land. Okay, check it out, artists. We've got lots of cartoons we've already added. Bigfoot, a pig, a dinosaur, a frog, and a flying narwhal. Now it's time to add a dragon. Just like that, we added a dragon to our scene. Artists, we have a bunch of other characters to add to this cartoon land. So join me tomorrow for another drawing lesson where we're gonna have fun drawing, creating, and imagining.
Hey, if you like this video, then you'll love Harptooniacs. No commercials, safe content, and most of all, fun! And you can try 3 free lessons today when you click on the link in the description below.